Hi everybody, I'm Mrs. Peck and I'm your art teacher this year, and this is Bob Ross if you don't know, but he's going to be with us this year too. You're going to see a lot of him and we're really looking forward to seeing you in a couple of weeks. See ya!
Hey everybody, welcome to STEM Lab. I'm Ms. Payne.
And I am Mrs. Henry.
We are so excited. We can't wait to see you online, but most important, we can't wait to see what you're going to build, what you're going to design. We're going to have robots to code. We're going to do lots of things online, but I cannot wait to see you in the STEM Lab.
Hey, I'm Mr. Gaskin, your PE teacher at Ackworth Elementary. I miss you guys, and for the second graders I haven't met yet, I can't wait to meet you. So please remember to drink water, exercise, and be healthy. See you soon.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Jones, and I'm going to be your math lab teacher this year. 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders, I can't wait to have you back so we can keep doing some math, and 2nd graders, I'm excited to see you. Take care, and I'll see you soon.
Hey y'all, this is Mr. Leach. I want to welcome you back and...
Oh, hi. I'm Miss Clay. I'm the media specialist at Ackworth. I am so excited about you coming back to school. I miss seeing all of your smiling faces. But right now we're virtual, so hopefully I'll see you online, and I am really looking forward to a great year. See you later.
Hello beautiful children, it's Mrs. Lewis. I'm here surrounded by all of these laptops, devices that you will be using during virtual learning. I'm also going to be supporting teachers during this time, but when you come back, we'll be together. We'll be back in the computer lab, enhancing those skills that you're working on so diligently right now. Can't wait to see you. Bye!